Today I am going to explain about the RC coupled single stage BJT amplifier. This is the circuit diagram of the RC coupled single stage BJT amplifier. This is the circuit diagram. Transistor, capacitor 0.1 microfarad, 0.1 microfarad capacitor, 4.7 microfarad capacitor, 1K resistor, 18K from base, from 82K, this is also come from base, this is 3.9 from collector, this is VCC voltage across collector from 6 to 7 volts. Okay, this is the ammeter, 1K resistor, it is connected to the ground. This is the graph. First, slowly increase the amplitude, after that constant, after that it goes down, okay. This is the circuit to find out input impedance of the input impedance. This is DRB. This is the circuit diagram. This is output is connected to the CRO. These are the operators we required for the connection of RC coupled single stage BJT amplifier. Transistor SL100, capacitor 4.7 microfarad capacitor, resistor 3.9, 82, 1K, 18K, regulated power supply 0 to 30 volts, breadboard CRO, and signal generator 2 megahertz and decay resistance box. Okay, this is the range from 1 to 100 mega ohms. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. This is the frequency response circuit. This is the input impedance circuit, and this is the tabular column. Okay, here you can see frequency from 50 hertz to up to 500K. This is the Vout divided by Vout in volts. AV is equal to V0 divided by Vi. The input voltage is given less than 1 volts. This is the gain. We can calculate the gain. dB is equal to 20 log AV. Okay, these are the readings. You can observe initially it goes increase, after that it constant 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8. After that it goes to decrease from 900 kilohertz. From there it decreases 3.6. You can see, sorry, 900 hertz. After that it goes 900, 3.6. Okay, after that it goes to decreases. This is the circuit diagram. This is the circuit connection as shown in the circuit diagram. This is the transistor. See, you can observe. This is the transistor. Here, from this is 3.9 resistor. This is 82. This is 0.1 microfarad capacitor. This is 1 kilo ohms resistor. This is 18K. This is, you can see, 0.1 microfarad capacitor. This is base terminal. This is collector terminal. This is ammeter terminal. You can see this is base. This one is base. This one is collector. This one is ammeter. See, you can see this one is ammeter. Okay, This is the regulated power supply. This is the function generator. Okay, this is CRO. Connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram. Initially, we set for 0 VCC, and also frequency also we kept for 200. This is 200 Hertz, 1K, 2K, 20K, 200K, 2 mega. Okay, this is the input voltage, 0.85 volts. Okay, we given the input from less than 1 volts. Okay, this is the CRO, initial condition of the circuit. Okay, slowly where is the VCC? Slowly where is the VCC? Okay, slowly where is the VCC? We can observe the signal. Okay, see, slowly where is the input to VCC? We can observe the signal. This is the initial stage. From after that, see, this is 29.44 Hertz. This is the signal. Amplitude is this is amplitude 1.2 into 0.5. Okay, slowly increase the frequency. This is 59 Hertz. See, this is 1, 2, 3 into 0.5 amplitude, 3 into 0.5. Again increase the frequency. Okay, 94 Hertz. You can observe the waveform. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.2 into 0.5. Again increase the frequency. This is 160 Hertz. You can observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 into 0.5. This is Vm, V0 into volts. Okay, again increase the frequency. Now it become constant. Okay, see, one minute. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 0.5. Okay, this is 200 Hertz. Okay. Now 550 Hertz. 550 Hertz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 point, same as it is. Now it become constant up to, by wearing this knob, this is 2K, this is constant. Again This is 20k. This is 20k. The waveform will be constant. Now this is 200 kilohertz. This is constant. Now I kept for 2 mega. Okay, this is 1.3 mega. This is 723 kilohertz. Now it becomes decreasing. You can observe in the CRO. See 1, 2, 3, 3.6. This is 1 mega, 1.13 mega. This is the waveform 1 to 2.9. 1.6, 1.7 mega. C waveform. This is 1 to 2 into 0.5. Okay, like that we have taken the readings. This is a complete picture of the RC coupled single stage BJT amplifier. Okay, this is 2 mega. You can observe 2 mega. This is a waveform 1.8. Okay, this is the complete RC coupled single stage BJT amplifier connection and output of the experiment.